Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable or enable welcome light on an AMG car. So, I am on the AMG S5 EV. Now, if you want to disable it, you need to go over into the car icon. From here, you need to go to convenience, and if you're not in convenience but driving control, you should switch right here. Here we have welcome light. Now, if we disable this, then whenever we turn our car on or whenever we unlock it, there won't be any lights coming out of the front. So the front lights are enabled whenever welcome light is enabled. So that way you can just save your battery a little. And of course, here we will just turn it on. Now, as you guys can see, you also get the explanation here. Basically, headlights will activate whenever we unlock the car. So if the car is unlocked, they will be running. You can disable it just to not waste any battery. And that's basically it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.